So we're going to bring the vehicle into our workshop and our technician's going to start working on your vehicle. That's going to include by looking up the vehicle manufacturer's repair procedures. It's going to be pulling all the information about that car so we know what we're working on. Once we've determined what the repair procedures are, we're going to then disassemble the car, take it apart at the damaged areas, make sure that we capture and identify all the parts that are removed and catalog them to your car so we know what parts belong to your vehicle. So once we've identified all these things, we're going to start additional things like as diagnostics. Mike, what are some diagnostics that we're going to do when taking apart the vehicle?
Right. So again, you know, while we're saying that your vehicle is in disassembly, obviously we are disassembling the vehicle, which means we're taking the vehicle apart. Now we take it apart for multiple reasons. Number one is so we can look to see if there's any hidden damage that maybe we couldn't see when the car was put together. We're disassembling your vehicle so we can identify any broken parts that you may or may not need. We also have to disassemble the vehicle in order to follow the vehicle manufacturers, almost like their repair manual or their guideline, which tells us to look for damage in certain areas based on how the engineers designed the vehicle. Now, again, like I said, we're not just disassembling your vehicle, we're also doing a lot of other things as well. For example, we're going to hook up a computer to your vehicle to perform a diagnostics test to see if all your computers and your safety and comfort features are working properly. In addition, we're going to use that OEM repair manual as a guideline for how we disassemble your vehicle. And then we're going to document everything that we take off the vehicle. We're going to document any damage or broken items we see so that we can submit that to your insurance company, your third party payer, or maybe even if you're just going to pay for it yourself. In addition, before we complete this disassembly process, we're also going to take and pre-measure your vehicle using like a computerized measuring system to make sure your vehicle's structure and everything is within specification.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.